potential avalanche. I'm not with you.
Yeah,
Well,
it's...
you could see that, but
The snow's not bad here. It's old snow and there's not much fresh snow yet, but once you get a build-up of fresh snow, yeah, it's potentially an area that could well avalanche. That's good, yeah. We're taking the video here, so start talking. How you doing, Lizzie, round the back? Yeah.
hiya.
Good.
Absolute blizzard outside, but lovely and warm in here.
Yeah, good.
I'm not
Perfect
coming
for
out. I'm
lunch.
staying here.
Yep, it's definitely
Yeah.
much better than I thought it would be.